your boy Majay, and I'm back here with another legendary freaking video. Today I got something special for you guys. Today I bought, well, not today, I didn't buy the car today. Hold on. I bought the car last Thursday. Yeah, I won the car last Thursday, and I ended up paying for it yesterday. And the shipper is at the Copart yard picking it up right now down in Atlanta, Ellenwood, Georgia. It's a little city outside of Atlanta. He's down there right now picking it up for me, and it's gonna be in about 2-3 hours, something like that. So hey, I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up, something crazy for the channel, and it's just gonna, bro, it's gonna be crazy from here. I can't, bro, oh man, it's gonna be crazy from here on out, man. I'm telling you, this car is gonna change the whole YouTube channel for me. It's just gonna be crazy from here on out. I hope you guys love what I just purchased for the channel as much as I love it. So other than that, man, here y'all go. Okay, y'all, it's been, my bad, y'all, it's been a couple hours, I'm not even gonna lie, but the car is finally here. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys what I picked up for the channel. Here we go. I'm about to flip it around for y'all. Here we go. Here's the new baby for the channel. Dodge Charger, 2008 Dodge Charger, Super B, 130,000 miles, has front end damage. Super B. And you guys know where I got it from, Copart. It did come with a hood, don't mind that, guys. I already just took the hood off, but here it is. Here it is, you guys. The 2008 Dodge Charger Super B that I won from Copart. This is gonna be the new whip for the channel. I'm gonna open it up, let you guys see the interior. Can't open it up too far because that fender, but a little carbon fiber, fake carbon fiber. I got number 989 out of 1,000 of the Super Bs. Interior is in, bro, interior is in crazy condition, like, and it does have the screen, navigation, all that. Has just 131,000 miles. There will be a rebuild series, then there will be a build series, because I do have parts already for this car, mods and parts to fix it. So there will be a build series and there will be a rebuild series, so just stay tuned for that, you guys. I'm gonna make another video after this one, so you guys should be expecting another video in the next day or two, probably, like that. So hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, turn on my post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.